Speaking of ducks and rows, milk. Milk. M-I-L-T. So if you know someone named Milk, be sure to point that out. So if you go down to the city of Milton, oh, well, it is good. There's no doubt about that.
That don't sound good.
All right, here is the question. Multiple choice.
I think it's a tornado siren.
Vitamin D. Approximately how long did the gunfight at the OK Corral in Tombstone last? 15 seconds. 30 seconds, 2 minutes, or 10 minutes.
Yep, we're under a tornado warning. That's not for... Hold on. Okay, that's in eastern Lucas County. Okay. 14 miles east of Toledo. Radar indicated tornado rotation.
Tony wants some clarification here. Are you saying malt or milk? Milk.
Milk.
M-I-L-T. Yes.
Is that name malt?
Rams into my windshield.
We're under a tornado warning. There's a severe storm in eastern Lucas County capable of producing a tornado. It's moving east, so this area here is not affected by it.
Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today. Hey guys, this is Keenan Thompson. I have a problem with you. Yes, you. None of y'all told me that Auto Trader has millions of new and used cars that I can shop from home. I thought we were friends. I put smiles on your face, but I'm not smiling. No one told me that with Auto Trader, a dealer can deliver cars to my home, or that I can shop by price on Auto Trader. No one. Consider this friendship that you just learned we had officially over. Finally, it's easy. Auto Trader.
I've got a lot of goals this summer. The kids need to start swimming. I'm finally going to take a few steps off my neighbor, Jess, and tennis. It's not a moment to leave. So I used Instacart to order our gear from Dick's Sporting Goods. Frozen goggles for the pool, new running shoes, and tennis balls. Lots of tennis balls. Yeah, that's the